Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor, bringing you your After the Bell commentary for Thursday, May 30th. We're going to take a look at the weather maps. Not a lot of changes there, but we'll go through those and then take a look at what happened here today on these charts. Not a lot of news out there today as far as the grains. There was an ethanol report this morning that came out. We saw production that fell slightly from 875,000 barrels per day down to 863. Now, still a very good number. We're only 4% below where we were last year. So that's still pretty good as far as ethanol here, as we see gas prices stay strong, and we've seen corn prices, find this range. So let's go into the weather real quick, taking a look at the 1 to 5 day forecast. It is still wet, there's no doubt. We have a pocket of dry weather right behind us once this system does move through. But the 1 to 5 day forecast, most of the Corn Belt getting some pretty good rain, and looks like we could see this. I guess they've got a lot of storms moving through the Illinois area as of right now. So we'll see what transpires over the next 24 to 48 hours. 6 to 10 day forecast, there is pockets of good storms, couple-inch systems out there that will be moving across the Corn Belt. Once again, the north getting some pretty good totals. Out here out west, still looking at a couple inches of rain as well. But overall, not a lot of changes here out of the 6 to 10 day forecast. And then the 11 to 15 day, it does dry out a little bit and give some chances, certainly to get some work done here. But it is getting late. The market is keeping a close eye on this weather. We're going to have to do the same. So we'll see what kind of changes are brought to us here tomorrow. But looking at the charts, this is July corn. July corn today was down about 10 3/4 cents, right at 654 1/4. You can tell though that we're continuing to make these lower highs and lower lows. Okay, that's not very bullish for corn. Very, very light volume, not only for corn, but also in the beans, and we'll get into that in a minute. But we continue to make lower highs and lower lows. So we probably are going to see some more profit taking here tomorrow. May continue to see this market pull back. You do have some good support, though, right at the 644, 645 level. We'll see if we do go down and try to test that here tomorrow once again. But December corn, little different pattern. We've seen a very strong move. A lot of these spreads, the old crop, new crop spread, helping to support the back months, helping to support new crop corn, pushing that up into this 560 level. So today, December corn finishing only about 3 cents lower, right at 562 3/4. But inside day on the bar, on a chart, so we've got to watch that. 550 is your good support right now. We end up taking that out. That may open up the door down here to fill this gap again. But good resistance just above us. This week's high at this 570 area. So keep that in mind here as we go forth. July beans, much like corn, lower highs that have been made. We were able to take out yesterday's low, but we did only finish about 6 cents lower, right, kind of in the middle of the range. So we've got some good support right below us. And once again, this resistance we keep running into up over 15, we just kind of struggle to stay above that here for new crop or old crop beans. So the cash markets have been breaking as far as beans, and we may get these futures to do the same as well. And then November, strong, much like December corn, you got November beans, new crop beans, very strong, remaining that way, closing in the upper end of its range, higher once again, up 3/4 cent. But struggling. Anything up above this 1290 area, it just seems like we can't really stay above that. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow's the last day of the week, but also last day of the month. So can we see some profit taking? If so, we need to take out today's lows and push below this 1275 level. That may bring us back down to 1250 or 1240 if we start violating some of these lows. So keep an eye on that as we go forth. As well. We do have exports that are out tomorrow morning. Some of the estimates right now as far as old crop corn, not looking for anything there, all the way up to maybe 200,000 for old crop corn. Same thing for beans. But new crop, So new crop corn looking for sales tomorrow, 600,000 to 800,000. And then for beans, 400,000 tons to 600,000 tons for beans. And, you know, those will be numbers that will be watched pretty closely. That will be out tomorrow morning at 7:30. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call over here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. We'll talk to you again a little bit later. Take care.